If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, our first piece is a Chanel fabric, upholstery fabric. There's a nice texture on this one. Okay, and has like a kind of a muted golden yellow color, and you can also see some mushroom color in the background too, the darker color. So between maize and golden yellow colors, but they're muted colors, so they're not bright. They're not, hitting you in the face. This is the back. It's a very soft plush piece. It is an upholstery piece, but it's, as you can see, that flows good. It's really workable. This is the thickness of it. Let's go ahead and run an embroidery needle through. This is a size 8, and I'm using 3 strands of embroidery floss. And you can see that went through with no problem whatsoever. Okay, that's our first piece. Next piece is a piece of shantung silk. Now this has the coloring of a cross between mushroom, and then you still see some of those muted yellow colors in it too. And there's texture, as you can see. Okay, see that? Little sheen, which is typical of shantung silk. Okay, that's the movement of that. Front and back looks the same. Back or front, they're both identical. Okay, so that's that piece. Our next piece, I believe this is a silk blend also. It has a little bit of silk in it. I'm not sure what the other fibers are, but this is a tone-on-tone yellow color, and this is a muted color too. Let's see if we get a close-up. Okay, kind of a light golden type yellow. There you can see the coloring better that way. Okay, that's the front. Well, that was the back. This is the front. It's a little more raised. There you go. See that? See if we can get a better angle so you can get the coloring. Okay, the texture is really nice. It's pretty thin and flows pretty easily. Okay, so that's that piece. Next piece, this is a mushroom color, and it has kind of like a corduroy weave. This is really soft, kind of a Chanel type material also, but it kind of has that corduroy look to it. Let me show you what I mean. See that? That's what it looks though. Let's see the separation in there, kind of like corduroy. Probably not a true corduroy, but definitely that's what it's mimicking. This is the back. This is how thick it is. This also is an upholstery fabric. So let's run a needle through it. I'm sure this will be no problem. And it's not. Okay. So that's that piece. One more close up so you can see that texture. Okay. And our last piece, it's a muted yellow color faux leather. I'll give you the close up of this so you can see if I can see any. There is some texture. I'm not sure how much I can capture there. I can capture a little bit of it there. It's kind of hard to, there it is. So that's the texture of it. Okay. This is the backing. This is how thick it is. This is how it flows. And let's go ahead and put a needle through it and see what happens. Yeah, so, and you expect there to be a little bit of resistance, but it's definitely workable. And keep in mind, Once you put the holes in leather, faux leather, they're there permanently. So be mindful of that. Make sure you're sure where you stick. Okay, you can see the texture a little better there too. Okay, so let's go ahead and line them all up so we can see what they look like together. Make sure I have the right side. Yes, that's the right side. The silk and the Chanel. Okay, those are all of our pieces. And the name of this bundle is Golden Mushroom Glow. That's Golden Mushroom Glow. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's Play Bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.